We'll guide you through how to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because then contact information from your Android can be used in WhatsApp. For example, if you've actually got a number saved for somebody in WhatsApp, but it's just showing their number, then we can go and sync it and then it should be showing up with their name instead of just a number if you've got that saved on your device. So to do this, come out of WhatsApp like so. You need to go and swipe up and find settings. You can always go and search for settings at the top if needed. In here, you can then go and scroll down and go and find the option for apps. Go and wait for this to load. And you can scroll down and find WhatsApp or just go and search for it at the top, which can be easier. There it is. We can then go and tap on it. In the top, you can go and find permissions and privacy, scroll down into not allowed and go and find contacts and set it to allow. You can press back, press the 3 lines at the bottom, find WhatsApp and just close it and then reopen it. That's it. They should be synced.